Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Now, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android and someone sends you a message, you want to be able to read it without necessarily telling the other person that you read it. If you don't want to respond immediately, this is really helpful to basically just help protect your privacy and not feel the need to constantly reply as soon as you read that message. Now, let's open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. Now, you can see if I tap on a message and it has those two blue check marks at the bottom right here, you can see that's an indication that this person has read that message. Let's turn that off. To do that, we're going to tap on the U button at the bottom right on your iPhone. However, if you have an Android phone, it looks a little bit different. There's no U button at the bottom right. So instead, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Settings. On your iPhone, you'll be able to see you're immediately in the settings after you've tapped on that U button. Now, on both devices, it works the exact same from here on out. Tap on Privacy under Account, scroll down, and there is read receipts. If you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people. Read receipts are always sent in group chats. Just toggle this off, and now you won't be able to see other people's read receipts, but you also won't send read receipts to other people. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the one over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.